Good afternoon. My name is Vijay Kumar, and here I am going to explain about the retail data analysis. In this data, we have received 10 questions. So, along the 10 questions, we will solve all the question and accordingly. So, first we will clean the data and remove all the duplicates and all the null row. So, we have applied the duplicate on the invoice column and remove all the values and in this data, and this is the question number 1. We have to remove duplicate along with invoice date, the price, country, cancellation. So in this data we have first question, we need to remove all the duplicates and clean the data. So we have done this, and let them move the question. In the question number, first only remove the duplicates and cleaning data, and the question number second, they have handling the cancellation. So in the question second, the transaction with invoice starting with CR cancellation, create a new column, flag and cancellation, the calculate total value of cancelled transaction and cancelled transactions. In this we have create the new column. This is the flag column. In this we have put the formula using if. So in this is the formula. In this formula we have calculate all the cancelled transaction and not cancelled transaction. So this is the transaction. Use the counted formula. Total transaction are not cancelled at 24,174 and cancelled is 4,591. So this is the solution for the question number 2. Let me move to question number 3. In the question number 3, they have asked the top 5 product with the quantity and the price. So in this, the top 5 product of the quantity, this is the postage and given away like this, and this is the top 5 product in the sum of the price. The manual is the highest one, and along with the decreasing order. So this question is asked in the third question. This point is asked in the third question. In the fourth question, pricing strategy is given. Let me little bit explain about the third question. In the third question, we have about the pivot table. In the pivot table, along in the both. So calculate the sum of quantity and sum of the price. In the question number 4, using a pivot, we need to calculate the above 90 percentile. What is the average price of the 90 percentile? So average price per item, we have used the using pivot table, and the above 90 percentile is the 45 point, the average price. The average price of 90 percentile. So here I can say this is the little bit average of unit price of 90 percentile per items, average unit price per item. So this is the value, and below using the formula, this is using the pivot table, and this is the using formula. The average formula here we have applied and calculate the above 90 percentile. In the question number 5, we need to calculate customer analysis. Who are the top 10 customer by total spending? Create the ranking column. So we have to create the ranking column in the data, given data. So we can see here, this is the ranking column. Use the rank using of rank eq applied on all the total spent by the customer. We have created the total spent by customer column, and then we have calculated the rank. So here is we have calculated rank of the each customer, each part description, this much. So I can say in the question 5th, we have prepared this data. We have ranking 6, all of these. So total spent by customer, as well as the country. So this is the question number 5. Need to move question number 6. In the question number 6, total sale per month. So we have to calculate all the total sale per month. First we have applied the pivot table, sum of the total sale per month on the January, February to till December. This is the total sale, and here we have used the pie chart. So here is showing the percentage of each month. So I can say that which month has the highest percentage of sale, the total sale per month. So I can say that October has the highest sale of the per month. It is along the it is the 19% of the total. So and the lowest is April. So here I can see that this is the trend line chart. In this chart we have applied this chart and a trend line of this chart to calculate the see the trend of the analysis to January to December. When we increase in the first quarter, we can see it increase to till December. It is also increasing. In second quarter, in April, it little bit decrease. Little bit, I can say that's along 0.15%, and then it is increasing, and then decreasing. In the highest is the October. So here, and this is the line chart. In this line chart is also the decreasing. So we can here we can apply the month if we need month wise filter, and this is the here is also same in the line chart. This is the October is the highest sale. And let me move the question number 7 in the transaction. So we need to calculate all the count of the transactions, cancel transactions or total transactions. So first we need to calculate all the transaction. Count of the transaction is the United Kingdom is the highest transaction, and Germany are following, and also IR is following that, and this is the way to count of transaction, cancel transactions. No, this is the total transactions, not for count transactions. Count of transactions and total transactions. So United Kingdom has the highest number of transactions as compared to other country. So we have to create the column here, transaction column. In this so here I have applied the rank. Here extract the year and month from the given date. In this date, invoice date, we have extract this, and also total sale per month and return order or total, and low tire, medium tire and high tire also defined on the basis of quarter, first, second, third. So and so we have calculate this total cancel transaction. So if the transaction is cancelled, then it's showing some value like this. If this value is total sale value, is showing the cancelled transactions value. If the transactions is not cancelled, then it is showing 0. So here I have calculated all the transaction which is cancelled, not cancelled. So this is the value over there. So let me check the next question. Question number 7. The transaction count of the transactions here is given by each country. So let me move the question number 8. In the question number 8, they have asked return ratio. In the question number 8, they have asked the return ratio, product return ratio. In the return ratio, they have asked the sum function and cell absolute pivot table. So we have applied in the Excel Here you have calculated the return ratio with a 15.96%. In this we have applied the this not cancelled transaction and cancelled transaction. So we have divided the cancelled transaction by total transaction. So we have get the return ratio, how much percentage transaction has been. So this is the 15.96% in the return transaction. So in the question number 9, we need to calculate the tire. So here is given tire, low tire, medium tire and high tire. So we have defined the first one is the total spent by customer. So we have calculated that by the tire. The first tire means first, and here is the second tire, first quartile and second quartile and third quartile. First medium, low, second one medium and third is high. So we have defined all these values and put the total spent by the customer. So this is the total spent in the each quarter by the customer. So this is the value is showing by the customer. And let me move the question number 10, dashboard. In the dashboard creation we have applied the detailed data analysis. In the detailed data analysis we have calculated the average of total sale and sum of the total order and the sum of the total sale. So this is the all of these I have applied the slicer here. In this is the slicer, this is also slicer, this is also slicer, this is the total order value, this value. So we need to, in the question number 10 dashboard creation, we have to calculate that month slicer on time. So I mean I have put the slicer on month. So in the month I have, if we need to calculate the January month total sale and sum of the average of the total sale and total order. So we need to create on the January. In the January this is the total sale, this is the average of total sale, this is the total order. And this is the top 10 product in the January which is sold by the company in the January month. And this is the trend chart in the January. And also here we can see the top 10 country in the product sale in January, like in United Kingdom is the highest one. And this is the percentage distribution of total sales. So the manual has the highest percentage of the total value. So this is the chart. And also if we need to put the February, so we will check all the data, the total sales and average sales and sum of total order, all of these given. So and this is the sum of total sale by country. This is the total sale, top 10 product by sum of total sale, or this is the top country by sum of total sale. So all of these given here. So thank you from my side.